Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And the video has come where I show you the basics of the mod kit, so you can get a better understanding of what's going on. Don't mind this. Um, this is part one, I guess. Just go over the basics, and I am working on some stuff, some puzzles for my mod, and I have like 20 or 21 here, something like that. And I'm still working on the building. I've still got to add in all the windows, as you can see. And I've already shown you how to add windows in mods. Uh, yeah, this is going to be a pretty cool mod. It's going to be very cool in the future, I hope. It probably will. Ignore this going through here. Anyway, let's get started. So, I'll show you the controls first. Firstly, so when you're in, you have this, and here, and you can click objects and stuff. It's pretty basic. And depending on what the object is, you could have like lines. I'm sorry, or these sound, which is the sound effects. You could have like little objects, or it could have like radiuses with lines, I guess. Uh the lighting is different in the like editor than it is in the actual game when you play it. So like when you have a light source and you play the game, it'll be a bit different in the brightness. It'll look a bit different. I assume that's what goes on with me. And you see a little cursor here. Hold right click, it'll disappear, and then drag your mouse to move around. And if you feel good enough, you can get used to it. WASD is the same thing. W facing down goes down. W facing up goes up. Um, and then if you want to like copy or paste something, you can select it, Control C, as long as you have the move the object selected, then you can do that. In order to change it, you can either go to this one, or this one. I couldn't be bothered to say the names. It will take too long. But basically, the first one here, this one is W, this one is E, and this one is R. And with these two, see this one and this right here, this little Earth is there. But then on this one, it's a square. I don't know everything about the mod kit. It's kind of confusing to understand. But yeah, this is part one, so there will probably be more blah, 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 blah. Sorry. Uh, I'm still slightly sick, just a little bit, but yeah, I'll be okay. And if you're dragging something up, well, why am I even doing this? I should be showing you like all this stuff and all this stuff and all this stuff. I'll just show you this. So you have a window here. You can drag it up and press end, or not. I guess not. I guess it has to be in objects. You can try it. See, if you press end, it will go down to the bottom like perfectly, like just enough so it doesn't like go through it all. It's like perfect. And why are there two of these? That's why it's so bright. Oh. Okay, weird. Are there any two direction? Yeah, there are. There are two direction lights. Oh god, it's way darker. Um, I'm just gonna save, so I don't have to worry about if it crashes. I don't have to do it all again. Okay, now it's time to do the window thingies. I don't know why it's connected. Anyways, so So on this side you have, all the basics you've recently placed, so you can select, so you can see what was placed recently. You guys probably know what that means. You have basic now. I don't think you need any of these. I mean, I don't know for sure, but if you're just starting out making mods, then don't worry about basic. If you want to know what this is, look up another video because I'm not sure. Lights, you can mess around with these. You can have a rect light. You can have a rect light, or it's a plate that emits light whatever angle. Well, you have a skylight, which just makes everything brighter. Oh yeah, not direct light. You have a spotlight, which is like aimed in one direction. There's like a light thing like that. You have the point light, which guys could probably see how all this works in the Unreal Engine, or how I enable mod kit. You have the direction light, which is way brighter, and whatever direction it's facing, it will shine in that direction. But like everything around it, so like it will go on for like infinitely, I guess. I'm just gonna keep saving just to make sure. But cinematic, I guess this is for making cutscenes, visual effects. I don't know if you need this. Geometry, this is the main part. So, like, you drag out a box and make it a wall. This is what you use to make a wall, not the basic cube. This is a bit different because this holds the texture around the entire thing. So if I drag a texture onto it, it'll go around the entire thing. But if I drag in a box, we've only got one side, so use the box brush. It's definitely a lot better. Okay, I'm just gonna save again. I have a habit of saving a lot. You have all these. You have the cone, you have the cylinder, and you can change the amount of sides it has. 500. It doesn't even look like it has sides. Or if you want to change it to a sphere into a triangle, you can type in 2. I guess the smallest is 3. What did I say? 2? That's not a triangle. That's just a line, and then 1 is a dot. Okay. There we go. And then we have the curved stairs. This will take a while to texture because you have to texture every single one of these. We're not going through this. You guys probably know how all these works. It's the same thing. Oh, so there. Oh, that's what modders use, I guess. Wait. Yeah, this. Oh, I already did that one. The volumes. I don't know what this is all used for. It's confusing. And then you have all the classes in one. I think. Probably. Let's save again. Alright, next up we have this up here. So you have place, which is the basic. This you have paint. I won't go through all this, and I won't go any of these. Landscape, and you can sculpt. You can change what you do here. Mess around with it. You have foliage, which I think you can add your own custom objects or something. Then you have geometry editing, which you guys probably already know. If you have a wall, you can do stuff like that. You can stretch it out. And if you stretch this out, it'll end up just like this, so you can easily access all these. I won't go through all this. So here you have new level open. You guys probably understand. I'll do a part 2 at some point. Don't you guys worry. You have window. This is lets you open different stuff down here if you want to access something. You have save current, source control. I'm not sure. Settings. If I want project settings, drag it in over here. And yeah, so then you have, all this stuff up here. You have play, you have, rebuild lighting if you click this button. You have cinematics if you want to make cinematics. Package mod, create mod. I'll show you how to do all this stuff in future videos, but don't you guys worry, I'll keep you guys updated. Subscribe, like, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.